Hello everybody, this is Nicole with Coach's Corner, and a question we have been getting a lot lately is how can we edit a PDF in a MacBook? So a PDF is just a way that a lot of our things are saved, especially if the publisher doesn't want you to make changes to it. There are other reasons to save things as PDFs. Sometimes it's a smaller file that you can email. Sometimes if you're downloading something like from Teachers Pay Teachers or things like that, they'll use fonts like this one that you may not have on your computer. So lots of reasons to save something as a PDF, but it makes it a lot more difficult for you to make changes to it. Well, on the MacBook, it's actually a pretty easy thing to do. You can annotate and do some simple editing, and I'm going to show you how. So as soon as you open up a PDF attachment, it's going to open automatically in the program called Preview. So this, for instance, is a letter that I would send home to my kiddos all the time. And the reason I want to make a change to this is because I have a typo here. It says we have A to awesome kiddos. So I want to get rid of the A, but I can do much more with it if I wanted to. So when you open up your PDF in Preview, you're going to click this little pencil over here at the top, and that's going to give you all of the editing tools or the markup toolbar for things that you can do to this PDF. So we can start off by annotating. If we wanted to, we could pick whatever color we would want to annotate text. And so let's say we wanted to use purple, and let's say we wanted to underline some text. So then you're just going to go to the area you want to underline, and as you see, as you highlight it, it underlines it. You can also use the strike through option by using this drop down menu here. Now another thing that you can do over here is, well, actually there's a lot of stuff that you can do over on this side as soon as you get rid of the underline. But if you come over here and you can see all of the different fun things you could do, you could add text, you could add a signature, all of those things are under the Tools menu. So when you go down in the Tools menu under Annotate, you could add shapes, like let's say we wanted to add a speech bubble. That would be fun. So we could move the speech bubble over, and then we could go back and we could add some text if we wanted to. We could go ahead and go back into the tools and add some text selection under Annotate. You could also add your signature if you went ahead and saved that during one of the Flex PD days. So lots of different things you can do, but I specifically want to go ahead and erase this one little thing over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the eraser, and I want to get rid of A. So now it says we have 2 awesome kiddos. Now, if I wanted to change this, let's say we decided to add to our family and I wanted to erase this and I wanted to put 2, then I would go ahead and I would insert text, and then I would type the number 3, and then I could just move it in place. Of course, I'd want to use the same font as I used on this, but right now that is pretty good for being able to edit a PDF just using Preview. So we do have another option for you if you really want to get into editing some PDFs, and we're going to show you the how-to video on how to do that next week in the Disc Digest. Hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to call us if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.